This is about practical tips for buying insurance. Today's topic is on Public Liability Insurance Act policy. Public Liability Insurance Act policy is a compulsory or mandatory insurance policy which has to be purchased as per the Public Liability Insurance Act of 1991. The purpose of the policy is to give relief to the public who can suffer death or injury or property damage arising from a fortuitous, sudden or unforeseen occurrence, or in other words, an accident, while handling any hazardous substance. The amount of compensation payable is laid down in the Act. The policy is mandatory for any business that handles hazardous substances. However, there are a few things one must note regarding the purchase of this product. Firstly, who has to buy this insurance? As per the Act, the owner of the hazardous goods has to buy it. By the term owner, the Act means anyone who owns or has control over the handling of any hazardous substance at the time of accident. So even if you don't own the goods but you are a bailee, you are still liable. You can't say that you are not the owner of the goods and so you are not liable. Moreover, the liability is at a personal level. So in case of a company, the directors, managers or officers all are liable. Secondly, what is meant by handling of hazardous goods? The term handling means the entire value chain, including manufacturing, transportation, storage, packing, sales, usage, etc. Who does what with the goods is not material, so long as there is an accident that causes injury or property damage. Thirdly, what is meant by a hazardous substance? The hazardous substances and the threshold quantity are notified by the government under the rules framed under the PLI Act. The quantity of hazardous substances handled must exceed a certain value prescribed under the Act for the policy to be taken. For instance, if you handle ammonia, then as per the Act, if the quantity exceeds 50 tons, you need to buy PLI Act insurance. So these are some of the critical points to be kept in mind, but these are not the only ones. Like every other insurance purchase, one must carefully read the policy and understand the terms, particularly if there are any special conditions or warranties that are to be complied with by the insured. Thank you.